Hi there, you made it to the Coffee Buzz Club channel. In this video, we will talk about easy Starbucks-style iced white chocolate mocha that you can surely make at home. So can save your money. Iced white chocolate mocha coffee recipe? Yes, please. The summer heat is here and nothing feels better than a cold cup of iced coffee. This delicious and easy cafe-style iced white chocolate mocha recipe will be your new favorite brew for the rest of the season. Instead of going to that infamous coffee shop, you can save money by making it on your own. If you want a good cup of coffee, you can prepare it at home for half the price and benefit from the same quality, or even better. With real white chocolate sauce combined with espresso, this decadent iced coffee beverage will surely make you say wow. This is the perfect way to stay energetic mid-afternoon. We have included the steps and ingredients in this video to help you make an amazing iced white chocolate mocha coffee at home. What is in an iced white chocolate mocha? A typical iced white chocolate mocha coffee has a lot of ingredients. That being said, the most important ingredient is white chocolate. You will also need espresso or coffee, vanilla extract, milk, and ice cubes. A typical iced white chocolate mocha has a few more steps than your average cup of joe because there are so many different ingredients involved. It starts with brewing a shot of espresso, then adding white chocolate and milk into it. There's a process to it, of course. Does the iced white chocolate mocha have coffee? Yes, any coffee-infused beverage, such as the iced white chocolate mocha, has coffee in it. It contains a shot of espresso and combined with other ingredients like milk and white chocolate to make the drink. What syrup does Starbucks use for white chocolate mocha? It's not confirmed, but the product Fontana White Chocolate Mocha is said to be the same brand of white chocolate syrup used in Starbucks. You can use this creamy white chocolate mocha sauce to add an extra amount of sweetness to coffee drinks or desserts. If you want to recreate some of Starbucks' famous coffees, you can get the same satisfaction from this brand as you would from a cup of Starbucks latte. Ingredient additions to white chocolate mochas? The usual ingredients used in a white chocolate mocha recipe are milk, espresso, and white chocolate sauce. Although there are some people that would still like to add a few ingredients of their own to have some sort of originality. Some people add a few drops of vanilla extract to the milk before combining it all together. Some also like to top it off with whipped cream and sprinkle a different kind of sauce like caramel or even chocolate. You may even sprinkle some cinnamon on top of the whipped cream if you're feeling fancy. Although if you add any other sauce or ingredient not related to a white chocolate mocha, it can hardly be called as such since there are other flavors present. Do I need espresso for an iced white chocolate mocha coffee? The recipe can still be made if you don't have an espresso machine. It is best to have freshly brewed espresso, but other options are almost as delicious. You can pick up an extra shot or two from a local coffee shop as an alternative to making your own espresso. You should be able to use the coffee when you arrive home. Try using instant espresso powder as an alternative if you don't want to spend any extra money for a shot of espresso. You can adjust the taste using a tablespoon of regular instant coffee powder, preferably one with a dark roast. This will give you a lighter taste. If you have leftover brewed coffee, you can use it as well. Decaffeinated coffee is also a great option. How many shots of espresso are in a white chocolate mocha? Some people use one shot, while others like to have a double shot espresso. The number of shots might also depend on the number of servings. If you're making one for yourself, it would be best to use one shot of espresso. Homemade white chocolate sauce. A white mocha drink is likely to be made with white chocolate syrup when you order one in a coffee shop. There is a reason why the syrup is used by most baristas, and it's not because it tastes good. Store-bought syrups are for convenience. White chocolate syrup is made with simple syrup, water, sweetener, and sometimes artificial vanilla flavoring. It has the advantage of being cheap to produce and lasting a long time. The coffee drinker might understand that for a business, but not for their personal coffee made at home. Making your own white chocolate sauce will be better. Method: pour a cup of whole milk into a small, heavy-bottomed saucepan and heat over medium heat. Use a whisk to continuously stir the milk throughout the heating process. Remove the pan from the burner when you notice the milk starting to steam. Peel 4 ounces of white chocolate candy and add it to the milk. Whisk the ingredients until smooth. Put the mixture back on the heat if the chocolate hasn't melted completely, but take care not to burn it. If the sauce is not to be used immediately, let it cool slightly and store it in an airtight container. Homemade iced white chocolate mocha. To make this recipe, you only need espresso, either very strong coffee, or a shot or two from a coffee shop, or instant espresso can be used in its place. There will also be white chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and ice. In a tall glass, drizzle the white chocolate sauce all over the sides, then add the ice. You can decide how many you want in your drink. Add espresso, then fill with the milk mixture, and top with whipped cream. You won't believe how easy it is. With this recipe, your favorite barista will easily miss you. Still, watching? Here is a more detailed recipe for you. Iced white chocolate mocha iced coffee recipe. Ingredients. For the white chocolate sauce: 4 tablespoons white chocolate chips, 1 cup milk, mocha coffee, 1 tablespoon white chocolate sauce, 1 cup ice cubes, 1.5 ounces espresso, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons whipped cream. Method: white chocolate sauce. Gently heat together 4 tablespoons of white chocolate chips with 1 cup of milk. Make sure that all ingredients are blended well. Set aside to cool. The white chocolate sauce will make 6 to 8 mochas. Combine the iced white chocolate mocha. Add white chocolate to the glass. Each mocha should have about 1 tablespoon of white chocolate sauce. Pour espresso into the glass and stir. Pour in ice and the milk, and if you like, add whipped cream. On a hot day, you'll want to take a step back. Get some hot espresso ready, add ice, milk, and even some homemade whipped cream. And just like that, you'll have one of the most popular recipes that everyone else is spending money on. That's it. You can make your own delicious iced coffee at home now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps with the channel to grow. Click that subscribe button and see you in the next video.